With all my spreadsheets, you're going to have to go File and then make a copy, or if you're using the Excel version you don't need to do that obviously, but all my spreadsheets, after you've gone File, make a copy, then you can give it its name, whatever you want to call it, and you can then type or paste a list of names in for your class. Now it doesn't really matter, there's a spot for 32 names there, but you can have as many names as you like. If you paste values, then you keep the formatting the same. So let's just say there's 10 kids in my class and we're recording times for maybe you can change the name of the thing. It might be like a race of some sort, okay? And you might say the first student records a time of 6.78 seconds and all of a sudden they're ranked number 1, but the next person comes along and they get 4.5 seconds. They're ranked number 1 now, and Bob goes back to number 2. So you just end up recording kids' times, and you see how they rank on the right hand side there, and the rankings will always change depending on their time. The first 3 rankings have got color coding and the rest are just plain white. So it's pretty straightforward. If 2 people get the same time, then the rankings sort of take that in consideration. You'll see now that there's a first place, a second place, 2 thirds, but no fourth. Okay, so if you did another one, then there'll be still no fourth, but no fifths either. So if you've got teams of more than 1 person, you might choose 2 people in a team here, so then you can put 2 names here with the time, or 3 people in a team, you can have 3 names here with the time. But it's a pretty simple spreadsheet, but it's pretty useful, and the kids like to see this on the big screen. Put it on your TV in your classroom or something, and they can see who's winning at a glance, and that's pretty exciting and motivating. So I hope you enjoy the quickest time. Check out my other videos for some of my other cool spreadsheets.